Yeah, it's perfect.
Is there any reason you got these specific birds?
I was gonna ask that too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I feel like they're so random. You've never seen like
Them together
flying
usually,
together?
yeah.
Yeah, so the crow. I just love crows.
Yeah, crows are cool,
I
yeah.
love crows, and then the belted kingfisher like appears in my life anytime like something significant happens. It like shows up.
That's
it's, like,
really
there.
cool.
And it always like perch outside my bedroom window when I was a kid.
Nice.
Oh, that's why you didn't really want to show it fighting, just
Yeah, yeah.
That makes sense.
Cool, I like that.